we'll try to see how to draw a circle, that too is a dotted circle. So in previous video we saw how to change the canvas color, pen width, and then write a loop, repeat 30, and I'm because it is 360-degree, 36 forward 10, return 10. So this also will form a circle. The extra only difference is pen down, pen up. So if you do pen down, it will draw. If you do pen up, it will not draw. That's all. We'll see this. I am running this program. You can see the execution. I'll show you the execution. So you can see. So pen down and pen up. That is what creates this dot array. Now I'll just copy the same line below, and I'll comment this, and I'll remove pen up, pen down. Now it will be a normal circle. And you can just add a pen down alone. This also will be a normal circle. Now remove this pen down and add pen up and check what happens. That is because you didn't put pen down. You moved the pen up after 10, but you didn't put it pen down. So that's why you didn't get it. So that's why we need pen down also to draw. That is how you can create a circle with a dotted circle. Thank you.